What's it doing to her?
The parasite who is implanting the plagiaris prepotence here.
I beg your pardon.
A seed that will amalgamate with her DNA and rapidly grow out of her.
What's going to grow out of her?
XX121 Xenomorph.
Leaving.
Fuck you, we're not leaving him here.
He's got one inside of him.
What's fucking inside me? The parasite!
There's a monster in your chest. And in a few hours, it's gonna burst its way through your rib cage. And you're gonna die.
To compose something so majestic, one could die happy before it died.